Welcome back to another video. We've had a jump pack in our vehicles for about the last 8 years. We've had multiple jump packs, they've been in every vehicle we've had, and that comes with a bit of a story. So about 8 years ago, me and Chloe went out. I accidentally left the lights on and we came back to the vehicle after having a nice, I think we were skiing at the time. We come back to the vehicle, saw the lights on and realised it wouldn't start. We did loads. We spoke to someone, we had someone try and give us a jump start. That didn't work. We walked to B&Q and to Screwfix to try and buy like a jump pack, but they didn't come charged. And then after hours and hours of flapping around trying to work out what we were going to do, Chloe just happened to walk over to the local We Buy Any car, and there was a lovely guy in there. He came out, he had a jump pack, started the car, like hooked it all up, started the car, and we were off. Like, you know, they were, 10 minutes and we were good and gone. So ever since then, we've purchased jump pack and had them in every vehicle we've ever had. This is the one we have in the van, and it has saved us multiple times. There was a time then I couldn't quite afford to change the battery, so I was using this 4 times a day to start the vehicle to get to work and back for about probably 2 weeks until I had the money to replace the battery. So absolute lifesaver. So that's where today's video partner comes in. AUXITO. AUXITO have very kindly sent us a battery pack jump starter to review and see how we get on with it. So this will be for the Land Rover, but we're going to show you it today on the van, because this has got some nifty modern special features. So let's go take a look. Some of the key points of this AUXITO jump starter are obviously the jump starter, but it also has an LED light. It can function as a power bank, which is extremely useful if you need to charge your phone or any other devices. And something I've not come across before, but this has actually got a tyre inflator, which is very exciting and can get you out of a real pickle. So let's do a bit of an unboxing and see what we've got in the box. So nothing in the box other than the one package. So we've got the instruction manual. We've got the, I assume that's the power, that's the jump pack. We'll come back to that in a second. We've got the jump starting leads, charging cable, some inflator hose connectors, and then the inflator hose. So that's all nicely in this little case. Just put that down there. So let's take a look at the device. Okay, so that's very nice and clean, feels very heavy. There's nothing worse than when you get a product like this and it just feels light, but that feels very, very nice, very heavy. Very simple to use as well. It's not got any buttons on it. So you've got an output and an input. That's for your battery, for your charging, and I guess charging the device. Oh, the most aesthetic bit of taking products and new products. Oh, okay, so it's got a nice clear LED display here. Let's see if we can turn the device on. You've got a port here. That's for the jump start leads. So they just plug in here. You get a green light on here, and then you just connect that to the positive on your battery and like a ground, and then that'll just jump start the car. Ever so easy to use. And then we also have an LED light. Maybe I have to give that a test tonight. And then the tyre inflator. So like I said, you've got a very simple LED display. Oh, and then you just press mode. You can choose between a couple of different inflation methods for what we got: a car, a motorcycle, a bicycle, and a ball. So that's it. Kind of do most things you need it to do. And then you just set. Oh, let me just change. So you set the PSI, and then it starts inflating. So we've not got a dead vehicle to try it on, but we'll do a couple of tests and see how things seem to work. Yeah. So I guess kind of first thing to do is to check things work, which there's no reason why it shouldn't, but you never know. That just plugs into output. Where's my phone? Oh, my phone battery's actually nearly dead. What do we do? Oh, there we go. So now that's all charging. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. No. So the output charger definitely works. Now the big one I'm excited to try because it's a very small device is the air compressor. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to deflate one of the van tyres and just see if this will inflate it back up. Now one thing I will say is the van tyres, even our compressor struggles to inflate them, so it'd be good to push this and see if it actually works. So let's give it a go. This is a very abusive way to test this device on like a tyre like this. Okay, so I've just taken this tyre down to about 20 psi, which is very low. They should sit around 42. So I'm just going to get rid of that. And now we're going to put this device to the test. So get the little compressor hose. That just screws onto there. So I'm going to turn this on. Put it into inflator mode. I'm going to set the PSI to 42, which is what the van should sit at. And then I'm just going to attach that. There we go, that's telling me that's at 30, which is a bit out from my other gauge, but that's a horrible gauge, so I'd say that's probably out. So we'll see how this does it, taking it from 30 to 42. So there we have it. It took around 5 minutes to take the tyre from 30 psi to 42, which is extremely impressive. That's kind of better than our other compressor does, and none of that is hot. That's not even warm. The hose is warm. Put that on first. So the hose is warm, but that is not at all. Let's see what the power's at. So this inflated it absolutely no problem. It was at 62%, it's now at 42. So it's used a bit of power, but it's still got enough to go. Extremely impressed with how that's just performed. It seems like an absolute brilliant bit of kit. Obviously we can't test the jump starting, but this is rated for starting up to an 8-litre diesel engine, which is way outperforms anything we've got, and all size petrol. So it seems absolutely brilliant, and it seems like a massive improvement on what we've got in the van. So this will be a great bit of kit to be added into the Land Rover. So just want to say a massive thank you to AUXITO for sending us this product. If you fancy getting yourselves a hold of one of these, they've been kind enough to give us a discount code, which will put the link to the product and discount codes all in the description. The discount code is X-PLORE, and that gives you 15% off. Thanks again so much for watching. If there's any products you want us to try out next, please leave us a comment and we'll see you again in the next video.